Hey guys, so I'm gonna share quick with you about one of my, well, it's probably my top favorite product that we have for no oven cooking, and that is our quick cooker. So, a couple of reasons why I love it so much. Number one, it's small and cute and fits very easily on your counter, which we know is important because a lot of us don't always have a ton of counter space. And also because it is so versatile. So our quick cooker, and when I say quick cooker, that's just Pampered Chef's name for it. It's a pressure cooker. So a lot of you maybe have one at home already, or you have friends or family members that have them. Now, ours actually has 16 preset settings on it, which I love, and comes with a cooking guide, which really takes any of the guesswork out of it for you guys when you get it, because there are step-by-step directions on here. And really all you have to do is turn the dial and press start, and then it does the work for you. So when I talk about versatility, let me explain what I mean. Today, I'm gonna make some wild rice soup, and I'm gonna be able to do all of it start to finish in my quick cooker. So all the heat is contained right in here. There's no having to turn on my oven, no having to stir anything or do temperature control so it doesn't boil over on my stovetop. We all know how annoying that is, right? So the inner pot, ours is a 6-quart capacity, and as you guys can see, I already have my wild rice in here. I rinsed it out. I love wild rice. I'm originally from Minnesota, so I grew up eating it, and I love that I can find it in the stores here local as well. So to start the process, I'm gonna cook my wild rice in here, and it's super fast. Normally, if I were to do wild rice on the stovetop, it takes me 45 to 50 minutes, and there are countless boil over spills. So it's only gonna take me 20 minutes to cook my wild rice in here. Once it's done, I'll be able to remove the wild rice and move forward with searing my chicken in here and then adding in the rest of my veggies. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and I'll be able to let it finish cooking with all of the ingredients together as it comes together and finishes. So I love it so much, and my hosts always get it as a half price set as well, and they usually get some of the accessories that go with it to add a little more versatility to what they can do with it in their kitchen. So if you guys have any questions on this, don't be afraid to ask.